Hey guys, so hi. In this video I'm going to show you how I am going to take what's remaining of the paper and rub it off with my gloved finger. Sometimes I don't like to get my hands all dirty and stuff like that when I'm doing this, so I put on a glove. But what I did was I wet the rock once again, and once again refer to the other videos in this series, which will be linked in the description box below, to find out how I got to this point if you're just coming across this video now on how to paint a rose rock, a red rose rock. Okay, so I re-wet the picture and there's still some paper left, so I'm going to very gently rub some of that paper off just to get a clearer image to come through. See, it comes off, it rolls off in layers, so that all I'm left with is just pretty much the ink. Yeah, that ink is on that rock really well. But you see, it comes off in like little rolls. Anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. It actually comes off better with a direct, using your finger directly, because it provides a little bit of friction. Okay, so here you go. You can see how it's coming off, and the rose is coming through. Just wanted to get more of that paper off before I color this with my paint pens. What I'm going to do is probably just film a little bit of that, like how I color in the rock, the rest of the rock, and how I make it my own, pretty much. So this is pretty much a really great transfer that I got onto this rock from the beginning, using freezer paper and Mod Podge. So again, refer to the videos to get to this point, which will be linked in the blog post that you found this video on, or they'll be in the description box of this video. You just have to click the little arrow underneath the video here. It's a little gray arrow on the right hand side, and a box will open up with more information on this video series. But anyway, I'm going to end this here. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I do crafting videos, and I paint rocks. That's my main craft. I've been doing it for a long time. And right now I'm into all this image transfer and getting a really great base image on my rock to work from. And so, alright, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.